appearance. 15%, the group must establish a connection with the audience by expressing confidence, maintain eye contact, and effective use of facial expressions. The group cloth game or costume appeal must be appropriate and connected to our celebration. And last, creativity and performance connection in our annual fiesta, 15%. Performing group must use their creativity in how they connect their performances and overall preparation for our fiesta celebration. Okay, so please give me a thumbs up kapag ready ng ating second competing group.
Lasa ng panit-sel tayo.
Next to perform, White Lady of CPO. So again, please give me a thumbs up kapag ready ng ating performance.
Chuchu Village. Hindi, iwahi, ganun tayo kung pag magamot.
So again, I am waiting for the thumbs up for me to announce the start of your performance. Right now, ako na second competing group. So again, while we are waiting, napangabay ang tanan dito ng Talipino as much as possible kumarang kagrakalo or raincoat or payong. Sige, kami ko na itong kay Pablo magkasakit sa subong na panahon. Okay? A friendly reminder sa ating Kalagalan Festival 2020. Sige.
Hindi na ba na magulan?
So again, I'm waiting for the thumbs up to be recognized na ready na ating performance.
Ido, gano'n na. Para na ulan.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second competing group, Primo Satanas All Village People!
Anything? Hello? Can you find me? Can you find me? I'm here. Behind you, look. Behind you.
Kalatukan na.
Behind you.
Hindi taga-patyo ba?
Don't be scared. I just want to play a game with you.
Lagi manabala.
away patami ara to.
Maraming na salamat Rio sa tanong sa People's Village. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our second competing groups. So I believe na ang ating mga competing groups depicts a certain concept or thing binapatuhay natin as Filipino. Like for example, ang zombies, si Satanos, ang white lady, at ang aswang. So it is indeed a testament of showing creativity sa ginatawag natin ng pasundayan, and at the same time sa ating street dancing sa ating naghiwalay na street dancing competition as part sa ating Kalaghalag 2022. Sa mga trainer, sa mga parents na nagpasigot sa ilang kabataan, at sa mga tao na kabahin sa ating mga competing groups, congratulations to all of you. You did a really, really good job. Next to perform is from CPO
Nagsuot na lang to ya goro.